Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the exact game version and engine build so you target the right files. Once done, make a quick backup of settings. CFG, your custom shaders folder, and saves. This prevents data loss. Next, disable overlays and performance tools that commonly interfere, for example Discord and RTSS. These first actions eliminate common external causes and prepare you for direct changes to graphic settings and shader files. Doing them now saves time and avoids repeating steps later. You should now inspect both in-game controls and the config file because the issue often sits in either place. First, set brightness, gamma, and HDR toggles to defaults to rule out display tweaks. Then open the config and look for the Fullbright flag or shader path entries, correct typos or pointing to missing files. If a shader is corrupted, replace it with a default from a fresh install. Doing this explains why Fullbright fails. Either settings override or missing /corrupt shader assets. You finish by restarting the game and, if possible, your GPU driver to force a clean shader compile. This often resolves lingering issues. Then test using a vanilla profile. If Fullbright works, reintroduce mods one at a time to isolate the culprit. Make sure to examine the game logs for shader load errors or missing texture warnings because they point directly to the problem file. If things still fail, revert your backup and repeat the shader replacement step while watching the logs for new clues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.